Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So first of all, open your Messenger apps. Now I am explain all about this, so follow my full video carefully. So first of all, tap onto three dot, click onto setting option, scroll down, click on privacy and safety, tap on this. So look here, not showing to this option. I will many video on YouTube that are present it in different and wrong way, but actually it cannot be turned off, or there's no need to turn it off. So I hope you are know all about these things. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.